Question 1. What should you do if you see a roadwork ahead sign? A. Speed up to pass the roadwork quickly. B. Slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. C. Stop and wait for further instructions. Correct answer, B. Slow down and be prepared for unexpected conditions. Question 2. When can you drive in a bike lane? A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. B. During rush hour. C. Whenever bicyclists are not present. Correct answer, A. When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. Question 3. If your vehicle starts to hydroplane, you should A. Accelerate to gain more traction. B. Apply the brakes firmly. C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Correct answer, C. Ease off the accelerator and steer straight. Question 4. When should you turn your headlights on? A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. B. Only during bad weather. C. Only when driving on rural roads. Correct answer, A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. Question 5. What is the maximum speed limit on most California highways? A. 55 miles per hour. B. 65 miles per hour. C. 75 miles per hour. Correct answer, B. 65 miles per hour. Question 6. You must notify the DMV within 5 days if you A. Get a new prescription for glasses. B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. C. Paint your vehicle a different color. Correct answer, B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. Question 7. What does a yellow diamond-shaped sign with a black arrow pointing to the left indicate? A. A sharp left turn ahead. B. A no left turn allowed. C. A left turn only lane. Correct answer, A. A sharp left turn ahead. Question 8. If you are convicted of driving with an excessive blood alcohol concentration back, you may be sentenced to serve A. Up to 6 months in jail. B. No jail time, only a fine. C. Up to 1 year in jail. Correct answer, A. Up to 6 months in jail. Question 9. Which of these statements is true about large trucks? A. Trucks have fewer blind spots due to their size. B. It takes longer to stop a large truck than a regular car. C. Large trucks are easier to maneuver than small vehicles. Correct answer, B. It takes longer to stop a large truck than a regular car. Question 10. When driving in a multi-lane roundabout, you should A. Change lanes before exiting the roundabout. B. Change lanes in the roundabout. C. Stay in your lane until you are ready to exit.